皆さん、日本語コースへようこそ. Hello and welcome to our fifth lesson of this Japanese for Beginners course. This is your teacher Izzy, and let's get started. So first of all, let's review what we have learned in our previous lesson. And review in Japanese is 復習, 復習, 復習. I will repeat every word twice. Let's go. お願いします. お願いします. ください、ください。どうぞ、どうぞ。ありがとう、ありがとう。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。どういたしまして、どういたしまして。いえいえ、いえいえ。ごめんなさい。ごめんなさい。すみません。すみません。いただきます。いただきます。ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。Great job! And today we will learn about numbers or 数字。数字、数字 in Japanese. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. I wrote down other two readings, yo and shi, just so you would keep them in mind because we will use them in the future. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10, 11. So here we will write 10 and we will add 1 afterwards. So we will say 11. So 10, 1, 11, 11. 12, also the same, 12, 12, 12. 13, 13, 13, 13. 14, 14, 14, 14. 15, 15, 15, 15. 16, 16, 16, 16. 17, 17, 17, 17. 18, 18, 18, 18. 19, 19, 19, 19. 20, 20, 20, 20. So when we're doing 20, 30, 40, we need to add 2, 3, 4 in front of the 10, okay? 21, 21, 21. 22, 22, 22. 23, 23, 23. 24, 24, 24. 25, 25, 25. 26, 26, 26. 27, 27, 27 28 28 28 29 29 29. Now, if we want to continue with 30, it would be exactly the same. So we would add 3 in front of the 10, and then it would be 30, 30. And then afterwards, to 30, we just add 1, 2, 3. So 31, 32, 33, and etc. Same thing goes with 40. 40. 41 would be 41. 42 would be 42. 50. 50. 51 would be 51. 52. 52, and etc. 60. 60. 61. 61. 62. 62. 70. 70. 71. 71. 72. 72. and etc. 80. 80. 81. 81. 82. 82. 90. 90. 91. 91. 92. 92. 100. 100. 100. 100. So I want to pay your attention here to this. We have he and ya. So it's ya, 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 100. Okay? So 100 is 100. 200. 200. 200. 200. 300. 300. 300. 300. 400. 400. 400. So I want to pay attention here to B because it turns into B. So it's not 300 but 300. Bia, bia, 300. Very good. 400. 400. 400. 400. 500. 500. 500. 500. 600. 600. 600. 600. So here another exception, it becomes P. P. 600. 600. 700. 700. 700. 700. 800. 800. 800. 800. So here we have not only P but also small t. 800. So P becomes double. P. 800. 900. 900. 900. 900. Very good. And now 1000 is sen. 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 Or isen. 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 2000. Nisen. 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 3000. Sanzen. 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 It's an exception here with the Z. 4000. Yonsen. 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 5000. Gosen. 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 6000. Rokusen. 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 7000. Nanasen. 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 8000. Hassen. 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 So we have an exception here with small t and s. Hassen. Kyusen. 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 9000. And 10,000 would be ichiman. Ichiman. So man means 10,000. So 10,000 would be ichiman. And then we just need to add number here. How many 10,000s? And then we say man. Man. Now let's practice. You see a number on the screen, and please try to think of it in Japanese. How would you say it in Japanese, okay? I will give you 10 seconds to think about it, okay? Okay, so let's go. 24. 24. 24. Very good. 18. 18. 18. 18. Very good. So we have 10 and 8. 39. 39. 39. 39. So we have 3, 10, and 9. 39. 100. 100. 100. 100. 324. 324. 324. So we have 300, 2, 10, 4, 24. 324. Very good. 610. 610. 610. So 600 is our exception. 600. 610. 10. 850. 850. 850. So 800, 800. Go 5, 10. Very good. So 800 is our exception. 850. 3000. 3000. 3000. 3000. This is our exception with zen. 8600. 8600. 8600. 8000. 8000 with exception. 600. 600 also exception. 101. 101. 101. 10,800. 1,800. 1,800. 20,000. 2,000. 2,000. So we have 2 10,000s. So 2,000. 20,000. 7. 7. 7. 4. 4. 4. 14. 14. 14. 17. 17. 17. 70. 70. 70. 54. 54. 54. Very good job. 13. 13. 13. 240. 240. 240. 890. 890. 890. 431. 431 431 very good 9 9 66 66 66 91 91 91 25 25 25 76 76 76 Now, if you feel the need to practice again, feel free to read. Now, if you feel like you need to practice again, feel free to go back to the beginning and practice those numbers again. But so far, you have worked so hard. Otsukare-sama desu. You have learned a lot of new numbers, so you will be able to do so many things when you know numbers. Omedetou gozaimasu. Congratulations, and I will see you in our next lesson. Mata ne.